Hello, my dear students. Please follow the instructions given by the government to fight against COVID-19. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water or sanitizer. At the present situation, avoid going crowded places. Now I am here to teach you the types of sentences. In the previous class, we have learned declarative sentence and interrogative sentence. Chaitanya, can you say what you mean by an declarative sentence? Okay, declarative sentence begin with the capital letter and ends with full stop. And it also begins with the subject and it is followed by a verb that we have seen yesterday. For example, I love my country. I am writing. These are examples of declarative sentence. Then again, what do you mean by an interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence means questions. Interrogative sentence always questions. There are two types of interrogative sentence. Questions begin with a helping verb and questions begin with WH. Then we have to see imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Then what do you mean by an imperative sentence? Imperative sentence gives a command, advice, order, instruction or request. What do you mean by imperative sentence? Imperative sentence is always a command, advice, order, instruction or request. Then how can we identify an imperative sentence? Then imperative sentence always begin with a verb. What do you mean by verb? All action words are verbs. Then imperative sentence always begins with a verb. Then subject, most of the time the subject is understood in imperative sentence. Subject is understood in imperative sentence. For example, listen here. Then while I am teaching here, listen here. Then I ask you, listen here. Listen here. Listen is the verb. The sentence begin with verb. That means when the sentence begin with a main verb, then we can say that that sentence is an imperative sentence. Then how do you identify an imperative sentence? Imperative sentence always a command, a request, order, advice, etc. Then now I am going to write you an example here. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Shut the door. Shut the back door. Shut the back door. Imperative sentence always begin with a main verb. Then here the sentence begin with shut. Shut is a verb. So imperative sentence always begin with a main verb. Then how do you identify an imperative sentence? Imperative sentence always begin with a verb. Then next another example. Wait for me. Wait for me. Listen. Wait for me. Wait for me. Then here the sentence begins with wait. Then while we are saying imperative sentence, if it is a request, then most of the time before the sentence we add the word please. For example, please give me a glass of water. Listen here. Please give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. It's a request, so I have used the word please here. The sentence begins with the main verb give. Then how do you identify an imperative sentence? Imperative sentence always begins with a main verb. Complete your homework. The sentence begins with complete. Complete is the main verb. That means imperative sentence always begins with a main verb. Okay, understand? Imperative sentence is always a command, a request or order or advice. Take the medicine regularly. It's an advice. Keep quiet. It's an order. Please give your notebook. That's a request. That means imperative sentence always a command, request, order, advice, etc. If it is a request, then we use the word please. Okay, all of you understand? Then next one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, it is very easy for you to identify. Exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. Listen here, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence always begins with an exclamation mark. Then how do you identify an exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentence expresses great emotion or surprise, happiness or anger. Exclamatory sentence always expresses sudden feelings. Oh my God, that is a sudden feeling, that is an exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences express great emotions, surprise, happiness or anger. That means exclamatory sentence expresses sudden feelings. Exclamatory sentence expresses sudden feeling. Then that is the last kind of sentence, exclamatory sentence. For example, what a cute puppy. What a cute puppy. What a cute puppy. That sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Then next example, how wonderful it is. That's also an exclamatory sentence. That means exclamatory sentence always expresses great emotions, surprise, happiness or anger. Exclamatory sentence very easy for you to identify. Exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. Okay, all of you understand? Then what a lovely picture. Next one, how wonderful it is. How wonderful it is. How wonderful it is. What a beautiful flower. These are examples of exclamatory sentence. Okay, understand? Listen once more. Then today we have seen imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Then how do you identify an imperative sentence? Imperative sentence always begins with a main verb. Then it is always a command, a request, order, instruction, advice, etc. If it is a request, most of the time we add the word please in the beginning of the sentence. Come to the prayer hall. That is an imperative sentence. Imperative sentence always a command, request, order, advice or instructions. Okay, understand? Imperative sentence always begin with a main verb. Imperative sentence always begin with a main verb. Most of the time it ends with a full stop. That means begin with a main verb and ends with the full stop. Then next one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence very easy. Exclamatory sentence expresses sudden feelings. Expresses sudden feelings. Exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. Now, I think now you are very familiar with all these four types of sentences. Then we have seen declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. First one, declarative sentence. Begin with a capital letter, ends with a full stop, begin with the subject and it is followed by a verb. Next one is interrogative sentence. Always ends with a question mark. Begin either with question word or with helping verb or auxiliary verbs. Then third one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence always begin with always begins with main verb. Subject is most of the time the subject is understood in imperative sentence. Sit down, for example, sit down. Then the sentence begins with the sit. There is no subject in that sentence. Actually the subject is understood. You are the subject. That means in imperative sentence most of the time the subject is understood. The last one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. It expresses sudden feelings or emotions. Okay, understand? Listen once more. Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Declarative sentence begin with the capital letter, ends with the full stop, begin with a subject and it is followed by a verb. Second one, interrogative sentence, begin with the question word or helping verb. Third one, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence begin with main verb. Then last one, exclamatory sentence, ends with an exclamation mark. Then I think all of you understand this portion. Do one thing, all of you should write 5 declarative sentence, 5 interrogative sentence, 5 imperative sentence and 5 exclamatory sentence. Then if any doubt you can contact me. Thank you all.